Hi there, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how splash screen works in Android Studio. For this, I have to create a new project. Click on New Project, choose Empty Activity, click on Next, write your project name in the name field. In my case, first project, click on Finish. Let's wait until project is loaded. Once project is loaded, we can see two files, one XML file for design, one Java file for coding. Now I'm going to create new activity. Right click on package, new activity, empty activity, splash screen activity. Let's design splash screen XML file now. For time saving, I'm just simply copy paste the code, XML code, copy, paste. I need to import logo, so for it copy, copy, paste. Now activity main.xml file. Let me copy again, copy, paste. Let me run our application once. By default, main activity initiated. In order to change main activity, go to manifesto file, we have to change intent filter code from main activity to splash activity. Make it true here. Cut it. So let's run again. So now our app is initiated from splash screen. So now I'm going to code in order to move from one activity to another activity. In my case, splash activity to main activity. Let me code here. New handler dot post relay new runnable semicolon. I am giving 3000 milliseconds. Start activity. Intent. Sorry, new intent. Current class splash screen activity dot this comma main activity dot class activity dot class. Finish in order to close the application. Let's run again. So our app is working good. Now we have to remove this action bar. Go to values folder, themes. We need to copy this code. Copy. Control V. So I am naming it as splash screen. So in a no action bar. In order to remove action bar, we have to change status bar color also. I'm taking white here. Color on primary, copy and paste here. So now we use this theme name in our manifest file. Copy, paste. Let's run it again. So our splash screen works good. If you want to remove this action bar in main activity, we can also do that thing. Let's minimize it. Go to main activity. Get support action bar dot hide. So let's run it again. So let me back the app. So it's finished the app. That's it for this video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. See you again.